Hello and welcome to my channel Sanamskitchen, and I'm heading to the Costco today, so let's see what we can find. So I'm really excited to see this Alfonso mango lassi, and it comes with two bottles, and it's by the brand Noga, and it says authentic Alfonso mango lassi, and these are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. So I think it is very interesting to see Indian products at Costco. So it has no artificial preservatives or ingredients, and it has 9 grams of protein. Wow. So what do you think? And when I continued my shopping, I also saw a bottle of desi ghee, which is organic ghee. And for those of you who don't know, ghee is like a clarified butter, which is better than butter or oil, and it has a low cholesterol. So this is very healthy version of fat you want to eat, and I'm surprised to see them in Costco. So I hope you find this informational, and you can check out your local Costco of what Indian products they have. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.